When we're developing a product, we got to make sure that the end result, we keep that in mind. And that is the patient experience, that is the physician's experience, but also the outcome. Because we're dealing with people's lives, not just their lives, but the family, the people affected by it. So when we come to innovation, we got to make sure that we understand the risk. And we have to really evaluate very closely, because in that industry, you cannot fail. There's big consequence. So we have to be very, very careful. We have to look at all aspects, and that's why assessing the risk through prototyping and truly testing it exhaustively is very important. In medical products, we're limited by what materials that we can use, depending if it's in body, obviously, or contact, the environment as far as sterilization. So it's very critical to have a partner in Protolabs having such a wide variety of materials that are many times the same material to what we're actually going to use, so that we can get that lessons learned through the process and getting that feedback very early. So the material selection is very critical. Innovation and the advancement of the technology has been really kind of neat, because now we have robotics, 5-axis CNC. I've seen the development in the capability of mold design in Protolabs, in that early on, through the years, you've developed as far as slides, more complex parts, larger parts. So that capacity, that capability has expanded as people's needs. You're meeting their needs. One of the key things too is what we're seeing now is made in America. Having a company like Protolabs that here is stateside, and that we can go touch. If we need to go out there and see them, we can be more involved. We know that getting parts in the actual materials so that you can evaluate them in their real life state is a big advantage.